Hello, my name is Aditya Bayu Putranto. I'm Associate Technical Advisor at Synex Metro Data Indonesia. And today we will discuss about how to configure Ruckus Unleashed in the beginning. If we got a new fresh Ruckus access point, the first one we will go to, it will bring us to wizard and configuration wizard, and we will configure it through the web configuration. Okay, now we will go to the web page of Ruckus Unleashed. The first one we go to 162.1, 192.168.0.1, and then we select what language we're using, and then the name of our access point. For example, Ruckus test, and then the country code. I'm in Indonesia and I will using Indonesia. If the access point will connect via mesh, we need to configure mesh SSID and mesh passphrase. If no, we just leave it without unchecked. And then if unleashed mode, we can use which port is connected to the router and which port connected to the switch. I'm using Ruckus R310 and it's only have one port, so it cannot connect it by it's only can connect it using one port, using port 1. So we back to IP address, and then we configure the IP address and DNS, for example 1.1.1.1, and the gateway router, for example the access point is 1.1 and then the gateway is 0.154, and then the DHCP, we can use the same network or we can use another network. For example, we are using another network and maximum connected device is 50. I think this is not gateway mode, so the IP subnet need configured in the same network. And then we configure the SSID of Ruckus. I think I will go to SSID Ruckus test, and the password is 123456 78, and then the username I will set it admin, the password is admin. So as you can see here, I configure the system name is Ruckus test and the country code is Indonesia, and then the IP mode is static using 192.168.0.1, and the SSID is Ruckus test, and then the admin username is admin and password is admin, and finish. After this, we need to wait around a couple of minutes until it finishes loading. And this will create SSID, and this access point will act as a master access point. So after we finish this configuration, this access point will act as a master access point, and we can connect another access point to join this master access point. Okay. And okay, the process will finish soon. So after this process, we need to log in to unleashed.ruckuswireless.com to manage. So basically this is the login page of Ruckus Unleashed, and from this login page we can download the access point mobile app to iOS or Android. Then I will enter admin, and the password is admin. And it's done. If we want to register, we need to register, and we need to buy license, but right now we just skip it. And right now the access point broadcast as ID Ruckus test. As we can see here is, where is Ruckus test? This one. Now my laptop is detecting Ruckus test. Okay, this is the tutorial of basic configuration of Ruckus Unleashed, and I hope this is informative for you, and thank you for viewing.